So these measure methane that come out of the cows whilst they're feeding. Oh, this is all going perfectly. Nearly going too well. Here we are, ladies and gents, Barley Park, Tedburn's Theatre of Dreams. Morning all, welcome back. Right, today, big weigh day today, big weigh day tomorrow as well. We're weighing all of our techno cattle on the experimental grass plots out behind the shed. And then tomorrow we've got all the farm platform cattle to weigh as well. I've just brought over the weigh stuff, so the gator's there with weigh head, weigh stick, and also my waterproofs, because I do not trust this weather. Feels like it's going to absolutely slap it down at any minute. So we will start getting some cattle in momentarily, but before I do anything to that, we've got the routine jobs of bedding up these cows in the shed here this morning. So yeah, these guys will get their fresh bedding in a minute. Just shut them back, and then tomorrow they will be run out and weighed. Might even weigh these ones actually this afternoon. We'll see how we get on with the techno animals. We'll push their food in whilst we're at it as well. That'll be a job complete there. Also came over here without a tractor key. I'm just stood here with one of our green feeds. So these measure methane that come out of the cows whilst they're feeding. You have to put a bit of sugar beet in the hopper to entice them in. So got a bag here. This one's got low, so we'll fill it up. We've got a couple of volunteers here waiting to have a go. Bag of sugar beet in. They've got these cool little butterfly clips, so you sort of tack it on like so. Twist this round. It'll pinch it and put it tight. You can hear there's a cow now gone in there, that beeping sound. There you are, it's just dispensed a bit of food. So that cow now, his ear tag will be red when it goes in. And then it will keep giving it sugar beet every so often to keep it in the feeder for about 2 to 3 minutes. And it will be taking samples of its breath as it's there. Right, that's that job done. Let's bed them up. That looks a bit better, cows. Nice fresh bedding. If you watched the last video, you'll have seen that I showed you a couple holes in the field opposite here. They've dug to see if there's a possibility of putting in a soakaway or not for the new shed. And they've come back this morning to fill them in and realised they've dug through a water main. Which doesn't actually belong to us, but happens to go through our field, which is rather interesting. They're over there now trying to figure out what to do. I'm guessing they're going to have to reinstate whatever they've dug up, or whether Southwest Water have to come and do it, I don't know. But for once, not my fault. I'm going to grab the gator, set up some gates, start getting some cows in. Unbelievably, this is going to plan. Normally, the doc is head of this operation, but he's away on his hollybobs. We got the spare load in, so there's 7 groups out here, 6 on plots and 1 spare group. Bruce has just taken the spares in. I've set up this fence here, and I want to get this group in now. They can come out of there if they want to, but they're just not used to the gate being open. And then what we do is we take everything in plot by plot, so that once we've weighed them, we can put them back out plot by plot. It just saves a hell of a lot of time. Let's see how this goes. I think we probably ought to stretch to a new bungee for there. The handle's missing as well. Just wondering if I can walk around the back of these guys to let them in. Put you back on there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good cows. Oh, good cows. Good cows. Oh no, don't be bad cows. Oh, success. By the time they get there, Bruce would have had the ones that he's taken penned up. If not, calamity will ensue. Let's go find out. There's Bruce's lot that he got in. Take mine up this alleyway, all the way down in the pen beside. You're in a gate, cow. I don't know why that gate's there. Oh, this is all going perfectly. Nearly going too well. We've got me and Bruce here getting them out the pens. John's here taking them down the yard in the truck. I can liken this only to an Olympic synchronised swimming team. There's a mental image for you, me, Bowman and Bruce in speedos in a swimming pool. We'll get rid of that one in a hurry. But yeah, we just drive them down to the gateway out onto the track, and then John will take them in. Me and Bruce will come up and get the next lot on the sails. Oh, who needs the dock? Right, this is the last group. It's gone ever so well. There's no doubt in my mind that they are wise to what's going on now. You can nearly train them. They're like dairy cows coming in a parlour. Because we do this once a month, you get used to what's going on. The first couple times you do it after you turn them out, when they're new to it, it's a bit of chaos. But they love routine, do cows? Oh, thanks for that. Not helpful. What's the next group, John? Because Charlie can concentrate on those collars next.
I'll shout a number.
Yeah. Happy? Okay. We have got this running like clockwork now, putting the cows back. So we've put back 1, 2, 3 groups. The next group are just there. I've literally just come down the hill from shutting the last lot in, and Bruce is there with them. It's obviously a lot quicker putting them back than it is getting them out, because we leave it already. We literally just got to get them in their paddock, shut the gate behind them, off and get the next one. With 2 of us, it's fairly quick, so I can be shutting them in whilst Bruce is getting the next one. John's in the yard sorting out which group has got to come out next. As long as we're all on the same page, it works very well. So these guys have got to go right to the top of the hill. They are the set stock group at the top. Let's go. Completely different job this afternoon. Got our livestock box here on our AW trailer, which we are going to take off, so we can take this box on and off, so we can use it as a flatbed. And we're going to go pick up some bales of hay. John's just looking for the extended forks that we need to get through to lift the thing off. I'm going to start taking the bolts out. I've got the rattle gun and a spanner. There's 6 bolts, 3 on each side. It's a 19mm, I believe, yep. And rattle it off, take it off, and then stick the forks through, lift it off. Job's a good one. I remember why I hate this job now. It's full of muck. 1 bolt on the other side that's sheared when I put the impact on it. So hopefully when John lifts it up, the bolt will come with it. You can just about see me. There's the bolt I was on about. We'll have to cut that out. We'll have to cut that bolt out.
Oh, no, you come off and you want...
But it'd be fine for now, but then we want to put it back on. Right, 1 livestock box. John's just getting rid of the extended forks there. You want to put them on the forks anyway, don't you?
Yeah, yeah.
We're going to hold him here, or should we carry him out to there?
Carry him out so far, because
might require a bit of pushing. But it ain't going to come out once it gets in there, that's for sure. I'm going to get it off the trailer. Probably don't need that piece of alkathene either. We are en route to go and pick up some hay bales. John is behind me in the Fergie with the loader and a trailer. Where we're going, the access is not that good, so just have to see when we get there. There's either very narrow gateways, very narrow turnings, or both with cars on them as well. So that's why we haven't got our big red trailer. It's just too much to get around there at a time. Who's ringing me? Bruce. Hello, Bruce. Hi. Yeah. We made it in. Got down a really narrow little lane. Luckily there was no cars on the junction. And then I came across a gate that had a combination lock on it, which wasn't there the last time I came here, so I had to find out the code, but we made it. Have a look at some hay bales. Now they're not the prettiest looking bales in the world, because they've been sat outside ever since they've been baled. It's obviously safer to let them sweat outside, and it's on off ground here, so they've not been in our way. They were just brought out over to the edge of the field and stacked under the hedge. But I think Rex wants to bring some sheep out here, so we're going to clear them. Now, although they don't look too fantastic, I'm sure the insides of them, yeah, look at that. Get the outside off where the weather's been on it. Inside there, look at that, green. Oh, they smell incredible. Oh, if you could bottle that, you'd be a millionaire. Okay, John's trailer's not got a back lathe on it, so we're gonna have to put a strap around it. I've just realised all the straps are on my trailer over there. Right, 2 trailers loaded. Gonna go meet John down there. We're gonna have a big strap up. I know it doesn't look great. It smells amazing. Yeah, we'll get these 2 loads home. And then tonight, very exciting, is the start of the football season. I play football for a club called Tedburn St Mary. We have our first pre-season game tonight, which brings me on to a point actually. If anyone's got a business that they would like to use to sponsor our football club, I know you've probably got to be local-ish, then we do advertising boards around the outside of the pitch. So if anyone would be interested in possibly getting a board for the side of the pitch and sponsoring the club, get in touch. I'll put you in touch with the right people and tell you how much it is and various things like that. Homeward bound it is. We've got both loads strapped on using a combination of ropes and ratchets. John is a big fan of the old roping stuff down, and we are sending her for home. So like I said earlier, the accessing out of this place is not brilliant. We got every gateway you pull out of is either onto a narrow lane, or the 2 that you actually pull out of to go home are both very blind junction. Steep downhill, 90-degree turn, blind corner, fast piece of road. Brilliant. Steady, steady. We are nearly home. Our original plan was to put the bales 3 high on the trailer, but we've established multiple reasons on the way home why that would not have been a very good idea. Be it either phone lines, the actual bridge at the end of our lane, which I don't think we would have got under with that 3 high. But yeah, anyway, we'll dump these off in the silage pit, just leave them on the trailer overnight. I need to get to football. That'll be my day done. Reversing. So here we are, ladies and gents, Barley Park, Tedburn's Theatre of Dreams. Let's go and get ourselves a win. Game is done and I am home. 4-0 win for the boys. I missed an absolute sitter from underneath the crossbar, which is absolutely standard for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Cheerio.